Hi, I am Alperen. For the past couple of years, we have been building GoArt Worlds, what we believe is the next evolution in Web3. We designed an incredible mobile gaming platform. The response has been massive. We grew a community of more than 200,000 members. We listened intently to your feedback. You demanded a more seamless and highly accessible experience. Driven by immense dedication, our team has worked tirelessly, never giving up on our mission to build a massive GoArt ecosystem. Today marks one of our biggest milestones yet. A complete re-engineering of the game's core experience. We structurally redesigned the game. The first feature is the Shift to Horizon tool mode. The game now operates entirely in this format, offering a far more immersive and expansive view of the world around you. This new design centers everything around a portal-centric flow. This is key to maintaining experience continuity. You can now seamlessly access essential screens like your profile, inventory, craft workshop, and airdrop events directly from the portal. Interaction is now fundamentally simpler. We have implemented new action buttons specifically designed to make character management and the collection of items significantly more intuitive than before. Finally, we have simplified how we explore history, now, and features. We added a dedicated time transition button. With a single tap, Guardians can now access and switch between different period maps, instantly transporting you across eras in the GoArt universe. Landscape transportation is a testament to our commitment to you, our community. This is more than an update. It's the fundamental foundation for the thriving Web3 ecosystem we are building together. Welcome to the new era of GoArt Worlds.